So, looks like this thing needs to be plowed again. Holy crap. So as I said before, I'm gonna turn on my high beam just to show you how ridiculous this is. Actually, that doesn't look that bad. It does help a little bit. I thought it would just white it out. For the most part it has, but it does help just a little bit. So I finally made it back. This was supposed to take me a half hour. It took me more like almost an hour, probably about 50 minutes, which isn't too bad, I suppose. I'd rather be at my house in Connecticut, but next best thing, I suppose. Alright, good night.